So your firm is looking to learn more about how Deltek Vision and Concur work together. Maybe you already have Concur or are considering the Concur expense application. If so, this video is for you. For those that aren't familiar with the Concur expense application, we recommend checking out the How It Works Concur Travel and Expense Overview video to learn how the tool allows your firm to have better visibility and compliance, plus helps with controlling costs. Now firms can combine the power of Deltek Vision and Concur to practically give employees their own personal assistant, while allowing them to focus on core business goals. Integrating Deltek Vision and Concur allows firms to improve efficiency for employees, reduce mistakes and fraud with Concur's built-in controls and duplication verification, lower costs by implementing company-wide policies to control expenses, enable HR and accounting staff to better manage expense processing from approval to payment posting, shorten payment cycles, keep critical files and data in sync. This is all done through the power of the Blackbox Connector. The Blackbox Connector automatically synchronizes information from Vision to Concur, including employees, expense categories, and projects. It automatically synchronizes data from Concur to Vision, including expenses, expense reports, and images. This project-based synchronization allows projects from Vision to update Concur in real time, reduces posting errors due to dormant projects, and reflects the work breakdown structure from Vision in Concur. The Blackbox Connector also provides transaction and receipt synchronization. This includes full support for associated expense report details, including images, which allows images from Concur to be printed within Deltek Vision invoices and project reports. No matter whether you track employee expenses in the Expense Report module, Employee Transaction Center, or Accounts Payable, the Blackbox Connector for Deltek Vision and Concur can synchronize your data. Are you ready to bring your data together? Contact us today by visiting blackboxconnector.com.